Hey, welcome to NextGen AI Lab.
Ever feel like ElevenLabs is just too pricey? What if I told you there's a free tool that sounds almost just as good, and you can use it right now? Hey friends, if you're into smart AI tools that save time and help you create faster, hit that subscribe button. Stick around. One tiny step could be the key to pro-level voiceovers. Let's jump in. Today, I'm showing you a free and powerful text-to-speech tool called TTS, OpenAI. It works in over 50 languages, and the best part? It's open source. No hidden fees, no surprises.
All right.
First thing, go ahead and open your browser. Now type in TTS OpenAI. You'll see it pop up in the search results. Just click on the official site. Once you're in, go ahead and create a free account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. Look over to the left-hand panel. You'll see a section called Script Box. Now this is where the magic starts. You've got three options here. Input text, where you just type or paste your script. Story Maker, perfect if you want to build dialogue or a narrative piece. Document, for uploading full docx files directly. In this demo, I'll keep it simple and just paste in a short script that I generated with ChatGPT. You can do the exact same thing, just copy and paste your text into the Input Text tab.
Now that we've loaded the script, let's choose a voice.
On the right side of the screen, there's a Voice Actors section. The free version gives you a lot of voices to choose from, which may seem limited at first, but bear with me. Click on the System Voices tab. This will open up a much larger voice library, and here's the fun part. You can even copy your own voice, or someone else's, though that feature requires a paid plan. It's $8 if you want to unlock that, but we'll stick with the free plan today. Let's pick the right tone for our script. You can filter voices by gender, male, female, neutral, age group, language, and accent. Today, I'm going to choose a deeper voice, something that sounds good for storytelling. So I'm going to apply those filters and listen to some samples.
Text-to-speech, OpenAI.
This sounds good. Let's lock it down. Once the voice is selected, go ahead and choose the speaking speed. You can slow it down or speed it up, but for this, I'm just going with the default normal speed. Then right below that, you'll see an option for voice quality. Choose what works best for your project. Now for the fun part. Hit the Generate Speech button. Give it a few seconds, and boom, your voiceover is ready. Now head over to the History tab. This is where all your generated clips get saved. Click the Play button to preview it.
Every summer, we returned to Grandma's house, nestled at the edge of Willow Hill. The days were long, golden, and smelled like sun-warmed grass and ripe mangoes. My cousin Jake and I would race to the backyard, clutching a tattered red kite patched with duct tape and dreams. We believed that kite could fly to the moon if we ran fast enough. Each afternoon, we'd climb the hill, our bare feet hot against the dry dirt, giggling with scraped knees and dirt-streaked cheeks. We'd toss the kite into the wind and cheer as it danced higher, tugging against the string like it wanted to break free and explore the clouds. One day, a strong gust.
If you're happy with the audio, just click Download and you're done. And that's it. Using OpenAI TTS, you can create unlimited high-quality voiceovers for free. If you check out the History tab, you'll see all your previous clips ready to download or reuse at any time. Honestly, I think this tool works really well compared to ElevenLabs, especially for something free.
All right.
That's a wrap. If this helped, feel free to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Got questions? Just drop a comment. I've got you. See you in the next one.